Hello traders, I am Alge and welcome back to the battlefield. Today we're going to look at the Euro USD weekly time frame and define the battlefield. First, we're going to identify the main trend. From our perspective, what we see on the chart right now is an impulse or a motive wave in operation. Label 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wave 2 have double tree subwave, which is labeled W, X, and Y. And for the wave 4, we have triple tree, and the level of triple tree is in W, X, Y, X, Z. That leads us to the final link, wave 5. Wave 5 is forming something called an ND diagonal and have a trend line combination. And the label is also in 5-way structure, which is 1, this is a clean and clear corrective structure. Can you see? So which give us 2 around this range. And this is W, X, Y. Because what I'm seeing in this diagonal is that wave 3 have with the diagonal itself is 3's subwave. The subwave is in 3. Alright? The subwave of this diagonal is in 3. So this is wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 is a clean and clear corrective structure, which is double tree, W, X, and Y. Okay, so this is wave 3. And after wave 3, we have impulse, which is after wave 3, we have wave 4. And now we are currently in wave 4, right? We are currently in wave 4. Last month, we predicted this wave 3 predicted this wave 3 before it actually unfolded. Let me show you the chart. So this is it. This is January 26, 2026, when we predict wave 3 of, of the ND diagonal. And this is the result. We gain wave 3. And don't forget, this is weekly time frame, so the profit might look small. I'm going to show you how it look like on the real chart. So this is corrective structure of wave 4 we predicted on January 30, 2026. And today, we're now in wave 4 as we predicted, which means we're on the right way in the market. And now, the rules of this diagonal is that wave 4 corrective structure can never touch the end point of wave 2, which means this becomes our invalidation level. That is our invalidation level. And some people might felt maybe this profit is something that is, you know, just little profit. Let me change the time frame for you to see how large it is. This is weekly time frame. Let's choose at least 4 hours time frame, so you can see it yourself. So this is 4 hours time frame. Can you see? So this 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 is the profit for last month. And people that place the trade using standard lot size, actually with standard lot account, which is one lot, made at least $3,000 from this wave 3 analysis we completed. If you use mini lot size, you would have made at least $300. If you now use micro lot size, and for you to use micro lot size, you need to add at least $1,000 in your account, in your trading account. $1,000 is required. So you use the lot size for micro lot, you'll make at least $30 for this move. Okay, for this move. And the last one people don't really mention is the nano lot. For beginners, I always recommend starting with nano lot. That is what I would recommend for all beginners, for you to see how it really work. And if you don't really have much, what you have is something like $100 range. Start with nano lot. Find the brokers using nano lot. Don't bring excuses that there is no brokers that is using nano lot size. There are brokers using nano lot till today. You have to do your own research and find it and start using it. If you use nano lot to place this trade we won last month, would you believe that you will make at least $3? But it doesn't really matter if you make $3, because as long as you are in the game, that is what counts. You didn't blow up your account, you end up with profit. That is what counts. And if you are able to manage risk, it is much more important than technical analysis itself. So that is the truth. And now we are currently in wave 4. After everything, we are currently in wave 4 of an ending diagonal. So This is it. Which means we now have another opportunity for you to buy again. If you miss the last month setup, this is another opportunity for you to buy. All right? This is another opportunity for you to buy. And wave 5 must be completed to balance the nature. Let's go win this war.